Within the AGV market, we see a need for more and more customization. It means that the design of the AGV should be simple and flexible at the same time. If you have only 4 or 5 devices to fit on the chassis, for example, you have a complete freedom of integration, and this directly answers the need for building specific, customized, adapted mobile platforms for any market segment.
A lot of times, customers are engaging with companies that have standard portfolios of mobile automation solutions from AGVs to AMRs that don't always fit exactly for their business challenges and their process challenges. So I would say more of a customer voice around AGVs or mobile automation platforms and solutions that more specifically address their challenges.
When we started working, designing the first easy wheel 15 years ago, we were trying at developing the most integrated wheel drive on the market. This is how we came to a wheel drive with embedded motor, gearbox, electronics, even the battery, making it possible to power any rolling application within a few minutes. So then, when we started dealing with AGVs, one barrier was to achieve the safety requirements of the machine, always keeping in mind the same need for simple, clear architecture. And this is how we came out with a system with embedded safety encoder, embedded safe motion control, where we can connect directly the safety scanners, the safety lidars, the safety sensors of any kind from the robots directly to the wheel drive. So that brings a new architecture where we can ensure all the safety requirements of a robot only with wheel drives and sensors finally, which is unique on the market. It's all a question of the kind of features we can embed into the electronics itself. So to design the SWD, we had to look at specific grade of components, which are driven mainly by the automotive market. So the chip makers, for example, put more and more safety functions within the chips themselves, which makes it possible to achieve a wide range of safety features with simple electronics architecture. In the industry, in the logistics, when we look at rolling applications, we see that the form factor of the wheels and casters is very often the same. So in fact, we took that as a constraint for the design of the product, and getting a wheel drive which is that much integrated and directly fitting the form factor of existing mechanical wheels and caster, it makes it very adaptable to any rolling platforms. So thanks to this mechanically compatible shape of the product, we can really fit a wide area of applications within the market. During the development process of the SWD, we also looked at improving as much as possible the mechatronics design of the wheel. Meaning, for example, supporting more payload on the wheel structure, so looking at a better integration of the gearbox inside the wheel, specific cast iron parts very integrated around the motor, or even fitting the motor inside the cast iron frame directly to have less parts, less volume, less space, and higher mechanical performance. During the design of the products, not only the safety wheel drive, but all the easy wheel range, that was always a target to reduce the amount of plastics. For example, use recyclable material, as few material as possible. So more compact products, more integrated products means globally less material. And at the same time, improving the life cycle. So reducing the wear parts, for example, using only long life cycle components. For example, we have products in the field since now more than 15 years, and we experience a lifetime of products between 7 to 10, 11 years without any replacement in industrial use, running in 3 shifts a day, which is a good performance. So thanks to the embedded safety architecture of the SWD, most of the safety functions relies on embedded software. It means that we have a hardware which is already done and qualified to support advanced safety software functions, meaning that we can develop new add-ons, new firmwares, new updates based on new software functions that we can embed into the product. So if there is a new release of a safety standard, for instance, bringing a new type of features, then we can plan an evolution, a new release of the embedded software to make the product easily applicable to the new application cases. Yeah, that's a good question. I mean, the team worked a lot during more than 6 years to embed the safe motion monitoring in the wheel drive, in the motor control itself. When we issued that in late 2020, that was a world premiere. Even the biggest motor manufacturers all over the planet did not reach this step of embedding the safety features inside the motor.
Yeah, I would say, again, going back to the flexibility, the modularity of the design, I like to say it kind of gives the customer the paintbrush and this is the canvas. It's the technical brick. We give them the opportunity to design specifically for their needs. So I guess the excitement for me is the ability to provide a solution that enables innovation for the end user, for the customer.
SWD offers innovative solutions that pave the way for the future of AGVs. Feel free to visit our website to know more.